All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verb. So pile up. Pile up. Put things together on top of each other. Like here, the books just pile up. Yeah, pile up. A backlog of things is forming. There's a backlog. The documents are piling up. All these forms are piling up. Do you think the applications are piling up? Yeah, definitely. My work is all piling up. Yes, it's all piling up. Yeah, all piling up. Yeah, there's a backlog of work, and it is piling up. Yeah, I will sort it out soon. How cool is that? I will pile up the books. Yes, I piled up all the books that I want to read. I have piled them up in a corner and I will read them eventually. Yes, all the books I want to read are piled up down here. Yeah, all the books I want to read are piled up down here. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. I piled it up just now. I piled them up. I piled them up just now, so it is more organized. How cool is that? Yeah. We're piling up all the books now. We're piling up all the documents now, so we can then organize them. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. We found it once we piled everything up. Yeah. When we piled everything up and organized it, we found it. The long lost document. We found the document once it was all piled up. Yes. When things were organized and piled up nicely, I managed to find the spare item, for example, whatever it was. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use pile up in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.